In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit card account in Xero accounting software. If you want to simplify expense tracking and keep all your financial data in one place, this is an essential setup. Once your credit card is connected, you'll be able to monitor spending, reconcile transactions faster, and maintain much more accurate records. Let's walk through it step by step so you can follow along easily and get everything set up correctly. First, log into your Xero dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the top navigation bar and click on Accounting. This is where all your financial configurations and account management tools live. From the drop-down menu, select Bank Accounts. This section gives you a full overview of all the accounts currently connected to your Xero organization, including bank accounts, cash accounts, and any previously added credit cards. Now, to add your credit card, find and click the Add Bank Account button. Even though it says Bank Account, this is also where you add credit cards because Xero treats them as accounts used to track transactions. At this point, you'll see a search bar prompting you to find your credit card provider. Go ahead and type the name of your bank or credit card company. As you type, Xero will suggest matching providers from its database. Once you see your provider listed, click on it. Now here's where things may vary slightly depending on your bank. Xero will guide you through the connection process, which usually involves logging into your bank account and authorizing access. This connection is called a bank feed, and it allows your credit card transactions to automatically flow into Xero. That means no more manual entry for every purchase. Everything updates in near real time. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You might be asked to verify your identity, enter a one-time code, or approve the connection through your bank's security system. Take your time here to ensure everything is completed correctly. Once connected, your credit card account will appear in your bank accounts list and transactions will start importing automatically. From there, you can reconcile them just like any other account, making your bookkeeping much faster and more efficient. Now, what if your credit card provider isn't listed or you prefer not to connect it automatically? No problem. Xero gives you another option. You can choose to skip the bank feed setup and create the account manually. In this case, you'll still add the credit card as an account, but instead of automatic imports, you'll enter transactions yourself or upload them using CSV files. This manual method gives you more control, but it does require a bit more effort to keep everything updated regularly. It's a good option if your bank doesn't support direct feeds or if you prefer tighter control over your entries. And another useful tip, once your credit card is set up, make sure you reconcile transactions frequently. This helps you catch errors early, avoid duplicates, and keep your financial reports accurate. Also, consider creating clear naming conventions for your accounts. For example, instead of just credit card, use something like Visa Business Card or MasterCard Expenses. This makes it easier to identify accounts later, especially as your business grows. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a credit card account in Xero, whether through automatic bank feeds or manual setup. With this in place, managing your expenses becomes much more organized, transparent, and efficient. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, stick around for more tutorials to help you master Xero and take full control of your business finances.